Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all. Call me the prodigal son, you know, far from the Congo. Today, right here in an unknown location, you know, here to meet your own, a daughter of the soil. She's an A-class actress, a woman with a great charisma. If you are still there, sit back and listen to Sharon Okpame.
Oga Boss.
Slinkies.
Smagsy.
Why? Me no vo hair fossa. Me no vo any egbe. First of all, when me ya bashawo, ni ya bibi agia. What here? Where a mommy? A mommy where do?
Feel your own. When I mean your own, I'm out with audio name. You understand? Right here with Sharon Okpame. So we toast to Sharon Okpame as a human. In order to project the identity of our culture, let's speak the language.
Wabota, wabavan, wabowie. Aweteme yaniga. Kenorisi, kenoredo, nobaye. I'm Sharon Okpame. Thank you.
Awa milka utamukbogeva.
Give shout out to Jeffrey Omori.
Okay.
My backbone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the only one.
He's the only one. So can we emphasize on that a little?
Why I figured out Jeff is because when I came into the industry, I met some people that discouraged me.
Okay.
But he was the only one who encouraged me.
Okay.
Eshikito was not my first movie.
Okay.
My first produced movie.
Okay.
But after I did my first movie named Ogbeti.
Okay.
The movie was not really successful the way I wanted it.
Okay.
Until I met Jeffrey Omori.
Okay.
So he was the one who helped me to make everything success. The movie Shikito.
Okay.
So ever since till now, he's still the one directing my jobs.
Okay.
He's like a best friend, a producer, a director.
Okay.
It's like
all in one.
Yes.
All in one.
Yeah.
Where your parents want come?
My parents, my mom, to be precise. My mom, not really like the industry.
All right, we are coming to that.
Are you looking for a place where you can get quality ironworks for that your fantastic building plan? Or are you looking for solid burglary proof to keep intruders away? Then worry no longer, as you can account on Omori Steel and Fabrication to give you the fantastic iron fabrication to make your building outstanding.
Make I not go lose my face. Blessings fall on me.
For bookings and more information, please call 081-79-111-024, or you can contact us on our Gmail, omorifab@gmail.com. Omori Steel and Fabrication, quality at its finest.
It's like you are giving us a different picture from what we had. Because
what did you hear?
Where in
honor?
Man where for the well industry. Yeah, that has everything to do with Ebony Obasoyi. So when they said Ebony brought you in, but where at the end of the day, sometimes behind you, sometimes and I do hear where at the end of the day you are now biting the figure that fed you. So what's your take on that?
I think you're joking with me.
Okay, no. First of all, who brought you
in? If you ask me who brought me in, the Edo industry or the
the Edo
Nollywood
the Edo industry, because here where Yana Zik and Dollar. So right now, if we are going to address this Edo matter, we should be speaking Benin. So it doesn't matter how I come in.
Let me put this straight.
Okay.
First, I came into the industry by myself.
Now only you waka come.
Now only me carry myself waka
Okay,
enter.
but you met someone.
The first person near the industry now.
Okay.
Oye Frances Osunde.
Okay.
I met Frances 2012.
Okay.
We were good friends. I told her about my interest to be in the Benin industry.
Okay.
Although before I met her, I also met Ame Mason.
Wow.
So she told me, okay, no problem, it's a nice thing. She put me through in some ways. She even encouraged me to produce my own job.
Wow.
Okay, so that is why I dedicated my award, the one I took, I think, last 2 years or so,
Okay.
to Frances.
Okay.
Because I won the best producer.
Okay.
So I was happy to dedicate it to her for helping me,
Okay.
talking me to producing
To actualize your dreams, yeah.
So I'm coming to the aspect of Ebony Obasoyi.
All right.
Yeah, we need the kudos in anybody.
Okay.
Ebony Mamumela industry.
Okay.
Jeffrey Mori Mamumela ila oneke de kunya.
Okay.
My first movie, Ogbetini produced.
Okay.
I called for Ebony as a cast.
Okay.
Before we met at a meeting.
Okay.
So we became friends. So now, I don't know how Ebony brought me to the industry.
Because that is
With
the
this, my
controversy. Yeah, that's the controversy going around.
No, it was
The controversy going around
maybe because of the Shikito we did.
because in a way, because when behind you sometimes not be the same Ebony they address you like that.
No,
she's
no,
not
no,
here.
no, no, no.
So
I'm
behind
not
you,
yeah.
sometimes the way some people when you
People,
wear
yeah.
kinana wear konaya degboto, tai you wear hin Sharon Ogboma yesi no Ritali. You understand? So from other aspects, anywhere where he hear your tanovio will do. No yeke na mena gwe. Ume yeke no ven. Anybody know when not. The most important thing is right here on your doorstep.
Do you know that? Do you know that?
Okay.
Do you know that the first movie I was ever featured in was a Sagoba Job, 2013.
2013.
I didn't even know if Ebony existed then.
Okay. But you watch a movie?
No.
Okay.
No.
We're not a fan?
No, not. I don't even know if she exists.
Okay.
So I was brought there by Frances Osunde.
Wow.
So if, for example, Oma here where okay, media kudos in Oma we be na ya the Oma la industry is Frances.
Yeah.
Cause Frances say ka wan industry na any why ke we bore.
Okay.
She was somebody I love.
Okay.
One wara go ma be film, wa like you know ya we me ya. So she was somebody I really liked. Now ya was in Nigeria boy now. So I called her when I was abroad. Then when I came down, I called her again and said, okay, I want us to meet. We met and became friends.
Okay. Okay.
So she was really the one. A job as I go, but then I knew Ororo.
Okay.
Bless her, Loan.
Okay.
But I didn't know Ebony.
Okay.
So it was later, at 2015.
Okay.
When I was planning my first production.
Okay.
So this guy, Easy Quest, suggested Ebony.
So he was the PM?
Yeah, it was, thank you, was the PM of the job.
Okay.
So he suggested Ebony that, okay, you can call this girl Ebony. She played in one movie, So when I watched the movie, she was good.
Good, okay.
Fantastic actress. So I said, okay, no problem. I like her.
She's good to go.
Okay. So that is how they called her for me.
Okay.
But though when they called her for that movie, they just called her that, okay, a job of Baro.
Yeah.
No,
that is Shikito so.
No.
Okay.
Ogbeti.
Okay, the Ogbeti. Oh wow. Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So Marie say a meeting.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
On a exchange number with me.
Okay.
So maybe probably why we this guy is cool.
Yeah. Umose.
So
Umose.
So my fiancé.
Okay.
Even with my house ni. yeah, my way at a job in Manatee.
Okay.
It was later on she was telling me about my job of planning, blah blah blah. Now, in a way, at a job in a way, Easy Quest. Now, okay, now we job in Meno.
Okay.
So I don't know what that. So wow, really? 1 year the join away, yes, is my job. So that was how we became friends. And she was really
directed by who?
Amemaswe.
Okay, directed by that was where Amemaswe came in as well. Then after that, when we are with the Egbawi. At the end of the day, during that Shikito or whatever, it can't be like say 12 una can't day more close.
We are so close.
So after that job, whatever you do, you una can't take and go within yourself.
We were so close then. We are still friends now.
Really?
But my way,
okay.
That don't be
okay. Okay, what you are telling us systematically now is that notion that Sharon Bame is iya yota no you will do at last. No yekena menagbe no yekeno vena kai is a pure fallacy.
Yes.
You are still in a very good terms. Today you call Ebony called you.
Of course.
When they discuss like one-on-one. Then how Jeff Omo you take on me.
Okay, how Jeff Omo you take on me now? When I was planning the Shikito, I saw the job Jeffrey did. Okay. He was the producer of that job, and it was really good. Okay. So I asked Ebony that this job, this guy tried. Say yes, he's the director of the job. I said okay. Okay. Maybe if I want to do another job, I'll use. It will be the director. Okay. So that is how it came in. Okay. So when I was ready for the job, I called him, Brad Jeff. I beg, I want to do film more. Okay. Because then even. Nene Ogbetina Hana Maladian. Oko Maladian.
Because but finally Oladian.
Na oila de bomenado hien do agbes man like the production video. Okay. But the Shikito or Kaladian. So you know say now we dey kudos in Jeff Omoru because when we me one ogboma yes o say we weta ban we eboni ode mere na do gbe se o bere mari mere. No
ma wuri we na do gbe yes.
We ni mata hian no.
Yes, ima we boni o ta hian o.
Ye be yan ma ni no. Okay. So e be tita. Okay. So you to that extent, maybe not a man web bonita, you were okay, matter. Maybe or may not say on that time. Okay. So you may know the time where okay, no your time. Okay. So what Tony?
Okay, more Tony. More Tony and some hine. I mean we may. Okay, but so far so good right now, eh? So why you can't leave Francis? Can't follow Ebony?
What kind of question is that?
Because this is a platform to reveal one.
I don't leave anybody for
because
anybody.
You met Frances first. Yes. Then at the end of the day, Frances introduced you.
That Ebony was so sweet to me, was so nice. Okay. We are so when we manihu, it imagine. Okay. Also anati mashao. Okay. Okay. It imagine when we're jumping from one place to another. Okay. Again, I even me Ebony name. My wife do. He said, "See, Frances here. I was still very good with Frances."
So when the day meeting your mama ta, you understand? So now, when we are working about where we ma, or do you even have me where ma? If you left Frances for a purpose, now over to Ebony.
No, I didn't leave Frances.
No. Okay, let's say okay. Now you had a little.
Still good.
Okay.
Even in my Shikito. Okay,
she was there. Yes. Okay, she was there. So. No, I told you, I never know why. Yeah. Me, I do thing. Sorry to say, I don't produce before you came in. Yeah. Before you even started to produce. Yeah. You know, couple say all the people when I feature for my movie, I be my friends. I feature my enemies as well.
When we in your planning atama. Okay. When we magbona, emi mani who ologo yeah. So ti ma be Frances Guezo wa megbe ezokpa yeah. Or say na do rule Ebony no. Okay. It time when we meeting in garage, Ebony na me. Okay. She came and collect we exchange number. Okay. So maybe where my Frances why at Wegbe. But I was more
with Ebony now.
Because
which is normal. Okay, which is normal.
Even a location there, Ebony. Okay. My fancy na do gele. Terminori Macove ya mana brigade badi mama na do Resoni, you say that so it happen.
Okay.
So that one talk like so it can't be.
Okay.
It was even the production.
Now still a while we be one year on our part.
Now, yes, because he have a job.
Okay.
Or not been story me.
Okay.
On me 60,000.
Okay.
So because
only very new.
Because
my idiot, yeah.
Very so on my way now to have my way a story ni normally I go with 25,000. So me na do am more way or see me way or see me way hin.
Yeah, or your way go.
What amavenia and so that was the misunderstanding.
Yeah.
So location ebony manado megbe where na do poya to where egbe na me adegbe ta me kiri I mean na go ne o mani 60,000.
Yeah.
80,000 we need any but okay ya pay 60 for just a story.
Okay.
So and you be have my we story na madeyo.
Yeah.
Ni time me no na we na but he pay 60 na we be no ma be you na do shock we pay 60,000.
Okay.
It's not supposed to be like that. Was a man tell me you need to agree. On your wax here, so it was not something big.
Okay. When manano koeguana. First of all, waiting with the jump amount we are working. So man, we not the waste time to the reason like that. Okay, that was what happened.
Yes, production with Ebony, Emane Guana, Nado Madam, Madam, I
okay, finally you now embark on the Shikito.
Yes.
With Ebony.
No.
But now she organized that.
No.
Okay, you featured her.
Yes.
Then Jeff.
Yes, did almost.
Okay, directing.
Now I was.
But she introduced you to Jeff.
Yes,
because as at then, Jeff and Ebony as well, they were like this.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
I met them together, yeah.
Okay. So you know, introduced then Jeff and I do directly Shikito.
Yes.
So how was that Shikito?
It was.
So you saw that as a movie that brought you to limelight.
Yes, yes. Oh boy, one man.
Because you my young again, I want to get up on your Sharon or Rio do produce Shikito. The girl one man but a baby in I will do a picture of you. Ye black, I get picture of you, Chiquito, ye black and black, ye musi. And I bought a winner work, your home and the
Hello there. Have you ever wondered where you can get quality design and prints for your ideas and concepts? Then look no further, as Gorilla Multimedia is here for you. At Gorilla Multimedia, we undertake printing services of all kinds. We design and print on t-shirts and souvenirs, printing of photo books, photo album, and exquisite framing of your photos. We also offer a cartoon and artistic drawing representation of any of your photos in either the framed or the unframed option. Don't just sit there. Contact us today on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I work by Temena Mame where Ebony producing
Shikito. Okay.
Veni meje me o manogbo yesi.
Okay.
Wa we me 30 me.
Okay.
We me 17
in return.
Yes.
Wow.
Because I am this person in my pride.
Okay.
He only around abo.
Okay.
So when rock barak bonania certain way Ebony was really nice to me, but we no meriune.
Okay.
En me kwe ukbolose.
Boloso.
Because he here only around abo.
Yeah.
Shikito was my story. You
conceived it?
Yes.
Screenplay by who?
Screenplay by Jeff.
Okay.
From scene 1 to the last. So I want to explain something so that even it time where maybe you know where me at the end of the day not the way me it might even if you are going yet. So from the beginning to the end, I was the person that produced that
has always
job.
been in charge.
From my script to the organizing.
You sponsored it?
Yes.
On your matter, can you go kill Ladiani?
Can you go kill Ladiani?
Okay.
Okay.
You even employed them, you paid them.
No, I didn't pay Ebony, but I'm this person that Oma with me. he must to
you
one way
come.
or the other.
Okay, yeah,
He dey
I
come
see.
and so he can't tell what he pay because I when he pay 7 he won.
Okay.
Or wait time okay, the first job you have my where in a when at TM.
Okay.
They told me okay, the 10,000 there.
Look at that. Then.
As at then,
Because born in 250,000 now.
we ogbetini.
Okay.
So in a work your man wa gbon you to video.
Okay.
Only makami.
Okay.
So that maybe we not wish so many play the role in not play ni or we gbon already.
Yeah.
But as a friend, I have to do more because of she really assist me.
Yeah, assisted you.
Yeah. Where okay.
Other rate.
I go market.
Yeah.
Where we'll go, okay, I follow you go New Benin, go the place. So okay, wa. Because I go now, man, I wait me na me one of it the bar. Oh, really? I don't power with me here. So that was the assistant I got from her.
Okay.
So not the money aspect, not the story aspect, not the screenplay aspect, not the producing aspect.
Okay.
You understand me? Even it gets enough yori, it pay ya.
Okay, yeah.
So if me I do produce for me ya FFF.
Okay.
If I need Jeff Moria,
like the picture.
Oh, you're director.
You're director. So Oido ya take over.
Take over everything.
Okay.
So that is why I said, dear Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, mommy. Because the car way.
Oma work.
Oma itama when na way. Oma car with him me.
Oma ladian.
Oma ladian is it? Where is the job na? Nene mi allow me. Imame job.
Now you are in your bag.
Almost 1 million. Yes.
You where?
Yes, I spent 1 million. That was the job I paid Akube 200,000 for.
Okay.
Ike do pay San Love do pay Agbonya FF. May calculate Igoniya with only production. It was 870,000.
Okay.
Igoniya edit. I paid for editing and I think soundtrack or so 160,000.
Okay.
So we are calculating yes more than 1 million naira.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, it was not good, so I have to sell it off for Idoagbes, and I sold it for 150,000.
Oh man!
So it was a loss.
That was a great loss.
So I am now, not, you can imagine the way I got confidence to do another one, because my is the my son left.
Oh yeah.
But my let me give in a try again. So we are doing another way now in way we not kicking oji. To here go. Oh man, baby baba here no.
Oh baby baba no.
Oh say Jeff now obani baba me.
Okay. Ekenami omase. Agi omase. So finally tell us, declare when you came in and how many years you don't spend. Okay,
in total I have been in the industry for 9 years now.
Okay, that was 2010. You came.
Yeah.
Okay, with the support of a Frances Osunde.
No.
And you already
I started
on your own
in Asaba.
Okay.
I registered as AGM member in 2010.
Okay.
May. So I have done like more than 3 jobs before I came into the Benin industry, 2012.
Wow.
So the person who brought me is Mr. Ibu.
Mr.
John
Ibu.
Okafoya.
Okay.
He was the one who registered me as AGM member.
Okay.
He was the one who assisted me to play in
some of the movies. Yeah. New
Odo. So before I came into the Benin industry and did one job with my first job is a Goba job.
Okay.
2013 or so.
Okay.
So I've been there. I've been in the industry for 9 years now. And your first movie was both for Asaba, both here. The first one was the Great Servant. No, Touch Not My Crown.
Produced by who?
I don't even know the producer.
They just called you.
Yes, I went there with Ibu.
Okay.
So I don't really know the name
and
of
the
the
production was awesome.
Yeah.
You watched it?
Of course.
Wow. So far so good. Oh, now if they say me figure out both English and Benin, your favorite among all the movies when you don't do. So which one you will point finger at?
My favorite is Soligi.
Because now that una don't introduce this Otemo Virame no Sosi Marking, so how can you describe the industry in one word?
We're still moving.
Okay.
Not front.
Okay.
It's
Okay,
still
it's moving
to the
forward.
forward,
Okay.
yeah, but not backward.
Okay, not backward.
Because at least
Okay.
we are there.
Okay. You are exposed.
Yeah, exposed. So
Okay.
it might move forward.
Okay.
So we are moving forward.
I guess you should be a proud Benin woman.
Yes, of course.
Proud Benin woman
Yeah.
in all ramification. And with female though. And with the look you since you always speak English, they speak English, you look after they speak English. What are some of the things when you feel give a description to Benin, when make Benin they great? You they hear say Benin a great continent. Not just a great when they say Benin na two kingdoms that they say United Kingdom and Benin Kingdom. What thing make Benin great when you know? I will know you do great in a you know you might even we going
Oba man on ya.
Oba one. You know you know buy a boy.
Keke where my pride.
A pride.
No what?
In what way? Magua you.
Magua you may even no salo boya women.
Or why you know why are women? So how can you give a description to such pride? Where pride, or you pride you go who are big
as a dinima when we here make the parable where a dog Sogoma, a dog,
yes.
I have a so
is that what classified as pride, or you see it as principle?
Pride number one.
What they classified as a role model. And who is that? We are Doma now because yes, a woman will go na Mero.
Area wa no see me.
Yep.
When it Nitamuwa.
Yes.
Okay.
Abiu park bimi no, e park bimi no.
Dem no park bimi.
E when you dey park bimi o, eriti no.
Oko no guess.
Okay.
Where we guess. Maybe no water.
Where?
Guess.
If you ask me,
among the girls,
among the women, girls, whatever,
yeah.
Among the ladies,
yeah.
So who's your method?
Guess.
Ni me guess.
Yeah.
Ni guess. I'll tell you, say na bone.
Okay, you never knew.
Okay. Who about a woman? I know we eat you.
No.
60% now they claim Mukesh as their method.
Okay, no.
How about that?
No.
Abia Bakanatina, no.
Okay. Okay. It's Unisomoregi.
Hey, madam. Madam, we admire you. Huh? Where do
my role model?
You know, these days, a lot of boxes in the game, a lot of people who's already topping the game, they don't want to see upcomers, you know. They be like say they want to copy them. So
but upcomers must come.
They must copy.
As at now,
because
upcomers never the trend now.
Yeah, they make things they
we
happen.
will be the we now our set don't they fade.
You don't they fade?
To me.
You they fade.
Okay, now you telling me upcomers not they are shine us now.
No, because to me I see you as one of the people trending right now.
No, I mean anybody trending now,
okay.
You should expect that no matter what, somebody must come to take your part.
Exactly.
Very soon.
Exactly. But see, I will not be
Johnson Outreach.
Okay.
Designated code driver.
Okay. No. I will disagree before I forget to disagree.
No, you don't understand.
Designated code still they are not just Asabaran summit there. He never even finished the whole Asaba. Not to talk of saying why Benin. Mercy Johnson and Mercy Johnson.
You don't understand.
Okay.
Oh, you don't understand what I mean. What I mean is Mercy Johnson don't make her name when person not fit take.
Okay.
Genevieve don't make her name when person.
That one I was grandmother.
Mommy.
Okay.
You only try ni kama ni ya.
Okay.
Emmanuel Hanaya make name ya de ujinya jine.
Okay. So they have gone to relax.
Yes.
Okay.
Now at time when you a marketer Sonia. Or when they messing we had 500,000.
Yeah.
Because we a destiny or wave or nyona magwa love screen.
Okay.
Yeah, munye for.
Okay.
We were ya last in.
Okay.
On no wa nyona.
Okay.
Because even no rigore e ma oni arigoji.
Yeah, oni arigoji.
No wa trend ni oni azege wa zigoji. Yeah be migi ya.
Okay.
They test now we are relaxing that way a message we or you have agbon e wa we tie or you demand.
Okay.
Popular demand. Okay. Yeah be so only yeah.
Okay. Are you systematically classifying yourself as an addicted actress now?
Me yeah. I don't know. Na na meti fian egbe.
Okay.
Maybe actress no be really like kiri.
Okay.
Oh no wa nyonyo wa mi me so wa nyonyo wa
fi. Oni o ma no titi kwa okoro.
Mereva.
Okay.
Iwareva ye kosu hia ye koro.
Nana oni ameno rukwere. Emeke no leyo. Okay.
Me wareva ni so maybe more we do fedo. No, but I'm happy that mommy I be can one day. No what tone, no what I'm happy.
Nowhere the number of one say me. So
I want to feel when your power or what when and now walk by on or take care. It's a lie.
Oh. Okay, what's your relationship between you and this your role model? This your mentor? I mean
I don't really have any relationship with her.
But she knows that you there exist somewhere.
Of course, she's a woman I respect so much. She's a woman I always love to see. Whenever I see her, I will always love to embrace her, kiss her, play with her.
Kiss her?
Yes.
Wow.
Because I love her naturally.
It's like you willingly give kisses out freely.
No, to her. Not freely.
I forget my own.
Not freely.
Okay, not freely. Let it pay. Okay.
Because I love her.
Oh, you man. So now, live video.
Live video.
Facebook. What they classify as Facebook live video. Man, these days people don't use and abuse also to a point that here man. And you happen to be one of the people where we say your daily activity, your day in out, you always they post time. So and we are your audience. For the fact that I am in the same game with you, you know, I be your follower, I be your audience, you're your fan. So with all this your live video when you do a time where or a bugbe eritiao. So are you trying to envelop us in a state of organ moga with your live video, or you just feel saying that's so live supposed to go? Or you just feel say it go feel give you plus. It go feel add plus to your career.
I do live
frequent live video, like whatever you do, you put even if you don't put on for you, they put on for your story. Sharon Ediku right here. Sorry, Sharon Bame right here. You know, now they look, play music. Now they watch song. No, be your friend.
No,
for Facebook.
I wish I do live video. Maybe my fans for the happy people for the happy to they see me every time. I don't do live.
So okay, what's your take on all this?
I do just short video. Okay. Even the short video is once in a while.
Okay.
Yes, maybe when I'm.
But you do actor.
Yes, once in a while.
So what's the motivating factor?
It's just something I want to do.
Okay.
Not that I want more fans or more friends or. Okay. I don't even have time for that.
Okay.
I know they get time on.
Okay.
So I don't understand what you mean by live video.
Live video, Facebook, whatever got to do with Facebook apart from posting picture.
Do you know that I post once in a week?
Okay.
Some of my colleagues they post like every day.
10 times in a day.
Yeah, but I post maybe once in a week.
And twice in a week. You wait a work be you know posting back 10. Yes.
So here one on live video.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, now maybe Igba with live video.
Okay. So and now really... over to your award program. So they do one program where this one they give award.
I'm not really the one organizing
it. Dream TV. Yes. But the last time I checked, now you invite me.
Yes.
Say make I come, but unfortunately one or two things can't lead to the other.
Yes.
No coffee.
Okay,
you have a give
it's organized by Jeffrey Mori and his brother.
Okay.
So
okay, and it got to a point that we had to give our word out to some set of people, and some set of people who see things from a different perspective. You know, we want to give award. When I gave award to the wrong people.
No,
they say you can't fire those people for Instagram, fire those people for Facebook. Can't even they cause Ogun. How true is that?
Who cause Ogun?
Yeah, we know where if you say we not conduct and where we not go conduct now. So your own, what's your take?
What I didn't cause Ogun.
Okay.
But why it was the only person I talked to was Jerry Angel.
Okay.
He was the one who
raised the alarm.
The alarm, yeah.
Okay.
So when we because now it's a Benitin.
Okay.
So he did, I think he did it because he may not
seek a tip, it's just to seek an attention or what? Is it a cheap publicity he was looking for?
Maybe your man understand.
Okay.
Because when I make him understand, it was not like, okay, sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay.
Okay, now he was telling me that was the second award.
Okay, you did. You conducted.
I'm not the one that conducted.
He conducted.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they gave people like Dosa Obaseki
an award.
They gave I think Okage won the best actress.
Okay.
People like that. So it was like the boy did the Salov did the blah, blah, blah.
Not give those
so I was like, I have to ask the guy organizing the award to send me the
raw file.
The raw file of the first award they did.
Okay.
So I screenshot it and send it to him through Facebook.
Okay. And those people were nominated and they were given?
No, the way he took the first best actor in the first episode.
Yeah.
The first edition of that award.
Okay.
So if you don't know something, you have to ask. Before just coming out and blabbling your mouth.
Okay. Because
the Degboy you are talking about took the first award. Okay. Will Degboy take it again?
Okay.
Okay, giving to Nusa Obaseki. At least Nusa is taking us far, going to
international level and everywhere.
So I was like, what's your problem?
Because we are winning.
Even Salov got an award.
Yeah.
Almost all of them. Legema,
in that same program, yeah.
Yes, all the legend, even Eritio
got an award.
But yes, you understand me?
Okay.
So even Pedio Cow.
So the guy no ask question.
He didn't ask.
Then he raised an alarm.
So that is why I was so angry. Like I sent it even to the comments, not even in, but since
for everybody to see, openly, then you have to respond.
These people got award. Okay. You didn't know about the first edition.
Okay.
Now you know about the second edition. So why don't you just ask? I found I do this thing. Well, explain to you. Okay. Not just go to social media.
Because I got all these posts through Patience Easy or Mori.
She was even there. She got an award. Too.
Okay, because we got Reza Lamina, we are Shake Bunania. Then the Patience Easy, she's always your backbone. We are aware so easy when so next one.
Yes.
More grace. You understand? So I got this post through her.
Yes.
So next one, more grace you way. So at the end of the day, we were so happy that everything finally were resolved.
Yes.
We were resolved.
Yeah.
So what's your advice for the upcomers?
My advice for them is that if they want to be on top,
okay,
or they want to go further,
okay.
Number one is to have passion in anything you do.
Okay.
Love what you do. Don't wait for somebody to encourage you.
Okay.
Because sometimes you might have a boyfriend.
Okay.
Normal love entertainment. So they will discourage you. So as for me, nobody encouraged me.
You encouraged yourself?
It's what I love. So because of that love, the passion, I told you about the story that the first job I did was not good. But because of the passion, if not, let me So but because of the love I have for it matter, man.
Even when you were running at loss.
Yes, and I didn't tell her anything. Whenever she asked, I would just like, okay, it's fine, everything is okay. You understand? Even till date, she's still like, Ne film wazigoji. We kwemi go running name. So I have to make sure I don't ask her a dime.
Yeah.
Nedo where film wow. So everything I do, I do for myself.
Yeah.
So what my advice to them is, if you love what you do, go for it. Don't complain to people that will discourage you.
Okay.
When I was coming up, somebody told me one word, like it was like, my friend, go kill yourself for you to go find better work.
They do.
You not do it, they do actress. They
Can
go.
You imagine?
I say, hey, I be make a rest.
Okay.
But later when I did the Shikito, the guy was forced to like give me kudos when he saw me.
Oh my God.
This guy is a very popular person.
Okay.
But I won't say his name.
No. I need to program in area. I said to you,
so it was like, it was like, Sharon, I saw your movie. Wow, it was nice. It was really cool. You really did well. It's nice. Keep it up. I said, really? I said, but you told me to go and find something better to do.
Yeah.
He said, no, now those one. So what I'm trying to say is, when some people think you can't do it, try to encourage yourself. That is why I said, if you love, don't force yourself to be an actress. If you know you don't, that's why some people go in and fall back.
Okay.
Because of
I'm a work by Yoromi.
Work.
Yoromi.
Or whenever acting work.
Whatever.
Or a shoemaker, or a mechanic. Okay. You have to love what you do. That is when you will make progress, because even when you are running at lost, you will have to encourage yourself. Because nobody can ever encourage you in anything you do.
Yeah, they want to
only
see you
will
fall.
Encourage. Yes, only you will.
Not the way I'm at.
Even don't expect you will get encouragement from the
people in the industry.
People in the industry. Don't think you will get encouragement from us. You will get encouragement from your friends. The only person that can encourage you is you yourself. Love what you are doing and continue doing it. And one advice, advice of money honiro. A fancy ma ve webo, what shall it be aniro?
Okay.
Ni mala wo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79 111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Hey, Biaya, no we, you're a fan or kicking our dates. O devil, Tiam women India. So I say, get young, get coming up. Ex when a life you wear with Bia.